Today on Rappler. The House of Representatives seeks the reversal of the Supreme Court's ruling on Sara Duterte's impeachment trial. A lawyers group supports calls for the Supreme Court to review its decision blocking Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial. Sulu will be transferred from the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao to Zamboanga Peninsula. Actress Bea Alonzo confirms her relationship with Vincent Co. And South Korean actor Song Young-kyu died at the age of 55. The House of Representatives is seeking the reversal of the Supreme Court's controversial ruling declaring Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial unconstitutional. In its motion for reconsideration on Monday, August 4, the House, via the Office of the Solicitor General, insists there was no violation of the constitutional one-year bar. It argues the fourth impeachment complaint, which successfully hurdled the lower chamber, was transmitted to the Senate before the first three complaints were archived by the House. The House adds, the first three complaints were acted upon within constitutionally sanctioned time periods. The filing comes 2 days before the August 6 vote by the Senate on whether to proceed with Duterte's trial. Senate President pro tempore Jingo Estrada says most senators are likely to abide by the Supreme Court ruling. Several lawyers, including members of the Philippine Constitution Association or PhilConsa, support the call for the Supreme Court to review the facts behind its decision to bar the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte. They are also hoping the justices would reverse their decision if they agree they were wrong. PhilConsa, chaired by retired Chief Justice Reynato Puno, says, quote, "We therefore urge the Supreme Court to review the salient facts it relied upon in its decision to make sure the facts speak the truth, for only a decision based on indubitable facts can stand time and its vicissitudes." The Supreme Court ruled that the first three complaints were effectively dismissed because they were not acted upon up to the time the 19th Congress adjourned on February 5. The same day, the House reached the one-third vote needed to file the fourth complaint. However, opposition group One Sambayan noted the fourth complaint was already sent to the Senate at 4:57 p.m. on February 5, and Congress didn't officially adjourn until 7:15 that evening. PhilConsa adds the High Court did not have all the facts necessary to make a decision invulnerable to constitutional assaults. This is also why some lawyers are decrying the fact that the Supreme Court made its decision without holding oral arguments, which could have been a chance to present all the facts. More than 6 months after the Supreme Court finalized Sulu's exit from the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARMM, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. signed an executive order to move the province to Zamboanga Peninsula. State-run PTV4 shares on X the Executive Order 91, signed on July 30. This supports the choice made by the people of Sulu in the 2019 plebiscite, where they voted against ratifying the Bangsamoro Organic Law. The executive order created a technical working group to oversee a smooth transition for Sulu's transfer. The group will handle tasks like adjusting budgets, staffing, and transferring programs. The EO takes effect right after it's published in the official gazette or a widely circulated newspaper. Sulu was part of the now-defunct Autonomous Region of Muslim Mindanao or ARM, which was replaced by BARMM after a 2019 vote on the creation of the new Bangsamoro region. The island province was among the few that voted against the Bangsamoro Organic Law. Then Governor Abdusakurtan II challenged the law before the Supreme Court, arguing it was unconstitutional and that Sulu should be allowed to opt out of BARMM. Actress Bea Alonzo and businessman Vincent Co are in a relationship. The actress confirmed this during the 2025 GMA Gala on Saturday, August 2. Alonzo says in an ambush interview with GMA News, quote, "I think it's very obvious that we're together." She adds that she is very happy and that's all she could share. Alonzo and Co were first rumored to be dating in May, after they were seen traveling and attending events together. Their relationship started about a year after Alonzo ended her engagement with Dominic Roque. Roque and Alonzo had been a couple since 2021 and confirmed their breakup in February 2024 after weeks of rumors. Roque is now dating actress Sue Ramirez. South Korean actor Seong Yong Q passed away at the age of 55. A Soompi report says the death of the actor was confirmed by Gyeonggi Province Police. He was discovered dead in his car by his acquaintance on the morning of Monday, August 4. Police add there were no signs of foul play when his body was found. At the time of his death, the actor had been at the center of a controversy where he was being investigated for drunk driving in mid-June. He was found with a blood alcohol concentration level of 0.08%, significantly higher than the minimum level of 0.03. Song was dropped from the series The Winning Try and The Defects. And that's today's wrap. I'm Kara Oliver. Thank you for watching. Click the link below for the full story. Follow us on Rappler's YouTube, Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok.